Rules for the filling of orbitals. Aufbau principle. The electrons are filled up in the increasing order of the energy in subcells: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5d10, 6p6, 7s2, 5f14, 6d10. In bracket n plus L rule, the subcell with the lowest n in bracket n plus L value is filled up first, but when two or more subcells have the same in bracket n plus L value, then the subcell with lowest value of n is filled up first. Pauli's exclusion principle. The Pauli states that no two electrons in an atom can have same values of all the four quantum numbers. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Electrons are distributed among the orbitals of subcells in such way as to give maximum number of the unpaired electron with the parallel spin. Now, shape of the atomic orbital. Shape of an orbital is given by the total probability density, including both radial part as well as angular part. According to the German physicist Max Born, the square of the wave functions at a point gives the probability density of the electron at that point. For first orbital, the probability density is maximum at the nucleus and it decreases sharply as we move away from it. On the other hand, for the second orbital, the probability density first decreases sharply to zero and again starts increasing after reaching a small maxima. It decreases again, approaches zero as the value of r increases further. The region where this probability density functions reduced to zero is called the nodal surface or the simply nodes. Shape of s orbital. Shape of s orbital must be spherical since probability of the finding electron is equal in all the directions at the distance from nucleus. Shape of p orbital. The probability of the finding p electron is maximum into dumbbell type lobes on the two positive side of nucleus. Thus the p orbital has dumbbell shape. In the 3p orbital px, py, pz, the probability lies maximum along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. P orbitals possess one nodal plane passing through the nucleus. Shape of d orbital. Depending on the probability, d orbitals have clover leaf shape. There are the fixed d orbitals dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square, y square and dz square, dz square has exceptionally doughnut shape. Each d orbital has two nodal planes. For an atom of principal quantum number n radial node in bracket n minus L minus 1, angular node is equal to L, total nodes is equal to in bracket n minus 1. Now first orbital, second orbital in form of graph. First orbital, second orbital. The plots of A, the orbital have functions. B, the variations of probability density as functions of distance r of the electron from nucleus for 1s and 2s orbitals